Hello everyone, Brian Richards here, and welcome back to my channel and to my slightly updated studio here. I have upgraded my studio with some new lighting. Hopefully it'll make the videos a little bit better. I purchased some new cameras, multiple cameras, and even switcher. Oh, everyone go, ooh. Everyone go, ah. And get this, I even purchased some bubble technology. Ready? Look at me, I'm in a bubble. Honestly, for years, people have been telling me, Brian, you kind of live like you're in a bubble. You know what? This is kind of creepy. I think I need to, I need to get out of this bubble and never do the bubble thing ever again. Well, anyway, today I'm going to teach you a really cool card trick that is totally done with math. What this means is the trick is totally self-working, so it's so easy to do. And then on top of it, I really don't know how it's done. It's like one of those math things, and many of you are math experts. Feel free to comment below. Let me know how this trick is done. But it is totally done with math. You're going to need an entire deck of cards, all 52 cards. If you're missing a card or two, you need to go out right now and go get a new deck of cards. Go on, we'll wait. Are you back? Did you hit traffic? Well, yes, so you need all 52 cards, and I think if you do have all 52 cards, we're good to go. We're ready to get into today's tutorial. Now, normally I would cut away and do some fancy editing, some transition, that sort of thing. But you know what? You guys are a YouTube audience. You're way smarter than the TikTok and Instagram, Facebook people. You're like, we don't need that. All we need is for you to switch the camera, bro, and let's get into today's tutorial. So that's what we're going to do. All right, so for this trick, you allow the deck of cards to be shuffled. You can shuffle it yourself, or a volunteer can shuffle it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make 4 piles of 5 cards. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you're going to put the rest of the cards aside because you're going to use those in just a moment. Now, you're going to invite a spectator to choose any one of the 4 piles. Let's say they choose this one. You invite them to shuffle up those 5 cards, and then whatever card's on top will be the random chosen card. So in this case, the card is the 6 of diamonds. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the 6 of diamonds, have them put it back on top of the packet. Then you're going to have them take this packet and put it on top of any of the 3 remaining packets. Then pick that packet up, put it on any of the 2 remaining, and then pick all those up and put it on the last remaining, just like so. Then you're going to take the remaining stack of cards and you're going to put them on top, losing their cards somewhere down into the deck. Now we don't know how far down it is, but we're going to figure out exactly how far down from the top of the deck by flipping over the top 3 cards. 1, 2, and 3. Now, it's important to note that if you see an ace is worth 1. And if you see like a court card, like Jack, Queen, King, that would be valued at 10. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take whatever the value is, and you're going to count up to 10, adding a card. So we have ace, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have a 2 here, so you're going to go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, we just add 1 more, 10. Now, again, if you see a jack, a queen, a king, or obviously a 10, you would not put a card on top of there because, well, it's already valued at 10. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take the 3 face-up cards and you're going to add their values together. So 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 1 is 12. That means their chosen card is going to be the 12th card down from the top of the deck. Are you ready? Do you believe me? Here we go. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Are you ready? Check it out. Boom. 12. There it is. Their card. In this case, the 6 of diamonds. 12 down from the top. Pretty crazy, right? Well, if you enjoyed that trick, do hit like and share. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Over here, you may see another video that you may want to click on to continue to learn some more amazing magic tricks. But between now and then, go and be amazing. And I have to go back to living my life in a bubble.